In this video, we're going to do a review of the first Python program. Okay. So the IDE I'll be using is PyCharm. So after you have to install first of all the Python interpreter. You go to the Python website, which you did in the previous videos. You install the Python interpreter, download PyCharm, and then install PyCharm as well. So when the first time you run PyCharm, it's going to show a welcome window. And then you should choose Python project. After you choose Python project, that's when, okay, you're going to say, so from Python project, you're going to see this window here. And from there, your project, your default selection will be project environment. But I want you to go to custom environment, and then don't say generate new environment, but rather select existing environment for the Python that we installed. For the Python interpreter installed, then I'm going to say create. Okay, so overwrite. So I'll build it in this window. Okay, so Python project. This is our Python project. Then from there, I'll come to the project folder. Then I'll say new Python file. Then I'm going to call this one. Okay, I'll just call it hello. Okay, now say Python file. This should be a Python file. Say enter. Okay. So, wow, in Python, like the first program is a blank page. You just have a file with an extension of .py for Python, and then the environment is blank. There's no main function, no nothing. It's just start writing code, just start doing whatever you want. Okay, and I think this is why people prefer Python, because it's very easy to set up. You just start not worrying about main function like C++ and Java, but that's how Python looks like. So from there, can just say print. Okay, say print. Then you say welcome to Python programming. Okay, save. Control is to save on Windows, and then I'll just say run the program now. Yeah, and it says welcome to Python programming. If I wanted to change this, Python programming. Yes. Yeah. Exclamation marks. Again, run this again. Okay. So that's how you simply set up. So in Python, there's so many methods. So if Java and C++ are strongly or strictly typed programming languages, so they mostly require data types and methods of such. But in Python, this is an interpreted programming language. You just write any code that you want. So yeah, that's how your environment will look like in Python. So we'll be using PyCharm to test features if you want to use Python to test a certain feature of among the features that we are going to look at in programming. Okay. Yeah, so that's the end of the